In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable discounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have the discount feature turned on, so you can clearly show price reductions on invoices, estimates, and sales receipts, and keep your records accurate. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online company. At the very top right of your screen, look for the small gear icon. This is your main settings hub. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is where QuickBooks stores company-wide preferences that affect your sales forms and how information appears to customers. Inside Account and Settings, locate and open the Sales tab. This tab controls everything related to selling, your invoices, estimates, products and services, and how those documents look and behave. It's the right place to adjust anything the customer will see on a sales form. Within the Sales tab, find the section labeled Sales Form Content. This section can be expanded, and it's where you decide which fields appear on your invoices and other sales documents. Look for the option for Discount. Turn this on to enable discounts. This simple switch tells QuickBooks to add a discount field to your sales forms, so you can apply either a percentage or a flat amount to reduce the subtotal. Once you've enabled the discount option, click Save to lock in the change. Then click Done to exit Account and Settings. Saving makes the setting active immediately, and Done gets you back to your dashboard or wherever you were working. From now on, when you create a new invoice, estimate, or sales receipt, you'll see a discount field near the bottom of the form. Enter a percentage or a fixed amount, and QuickBooks will calculate the reduction against the subtotal and show the updated total. This keeps your paperwork clear for customers and ensures your reports reflect the true value of what you're selling after the reduction. If you don't see the discount field right away, try refreshing your browser. Also, remember that only users with the right permissions can change company settings, so if the option isn't available, check with your admin. As a best practice, be consistent with how you apply discounts so your revenue reporting remains clean. And if you often discount specific items rather than the whole invoice, consider creating a standard process so your team applies discounts the same way every time. That's it. Gear icon, account and settings, sales tab, sales form content, enable discount, click Save, and click Done. You're ready to start applying discounts in QuickBooks Online with confidence.